Okay, today I want to show you how our interior engine cleaner works and show you a small demonstration. And for this demonstration I prepared two test tubes and both contain the same amount of used engine oil. And in one of them I will add some of our interior engine cleaner, and then I will show you how it works and what's the difference between the two test tubes. Okay, so with this one we add an amount of the interior engine cleaner. And now we close both of them. So this is within your injector cleaner, interior engine cleaner, and this is without. And now we shake them both thoroughly. And now you can see that in one of the samples, the border of you already see it's cleaned. No deposits on the top of the glass, and on the other one it takes much longer before the oil is separated from the glass. And so you see a big difference in the cleaning power when you use the interior engine cleaner.